Ever struggle to clean under your bed or sofa? Dust piles up in places you can't reach. Pet hair hides under cabinets out of sight. Corners and edges never feel truly clean. Cables and furniture legs block your vacuum's path. Manual cleaning means moving heavy furniture. Vacuum brushes get tangled with long hair. Pet fur wraps around wheels, slowing you down. Mops stay dirty, spreading grime everywhere. Emptying dustbins is messy and time-consuming. Wet carpets after mopping? Not what you wanted. Wish cleaning could be smarter and easier? Meet the Roborock Saros 10R robot vacuum and mop. Click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon. Ultra-slim 3.14-inch design slides under low furniture. No more missed spots beneath sofas or beds. StarSight Autonomous System 2.0 maps your whole home. Vertibeam avoids cables and odd-shaped furniture legs. Cleans along cords with no manual help needed. Detects and adapts to 108 obstacle types. 22,000p Hyperforce suction lifts dirt from all floors. Zero tangling duo divide. Brush handles long hair easily. Flexi-arm riser side brush reaches corners and edges. Automatically extends to sweep dust from tight spaces. No more blind spots. Every area gets cleaned. AdaptiLift Chassis climbs over 4 cm obstacles. Dual spinning mops lift when carpets are detected. No wet carpets, just spotless floors. Brushes lift during recharging to keep floors pristine. Enjoy quiet, effective mopping every time. Multifunctional Dock 4.0 automates maintenance. Auto mop removal for pure vacuuming or mapping. 176 degrees F hot water washes the mop thoroughly. 131 degrees F hot air dries the mop. No mildew or odor. 60-day automatic dust collection means less emptying. Auto tank refilling keeps mopping uninterrupted. Auto detergent dispenser for deep cleaning. Dock self-cleans with 176 degrees Celsius hot water. Quick 2.5-hour charging, always ready to clean. Auto rewash and remop for heavily soiled areas. Hands-free cleaning lets you focus on life. Built-in Hello Rocky voice assistant for easy control. Start cleaning with a simple voice command. No internet needed for basic voice tasks. Customize cleaning schedules in the Roborock app. Manage maps and cleaning modes from your phone. Built-in RGB camera connects you to your pets. Two-way video calls let you check in anytime. Instantly locate your pet with one-click search. Capture adorable moments while you're away. Peace of mind for pet owners, even when busy. Supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for stable connectivity. Let's compare before and after Roborock Saros 10R. Before, missed spots under furniture, tangled brushes. After, every space cleaned, no tangles, no hassle. Before, manual mop washing, wet carpets, daily emptying. After, self-cleaning dock, dry carpets, 60-day dustbin. Before, pet hair everywhere, hard to reach corners. After, pet fur gone, corners and edges spotless. Before, cleaning interrupts your day, takes hours. After, cleaning runs itself, you save precious time. Before, worry about pets when you're away. After, video call and check in anytime. Roborock Saros 10R makes home cleaning effortless, ultra-slim, powerful, and smart, perfect for busy lives. No more tangled hair, missed spots, or dirty mops. Enjoy hands-free cleaning and peace of mind. Ideal for pet owners, busy families, and tech lovers. Transform your cleaning routine with Roborock Saros 10R. Ready for a smarter, cleaner home? Tap to learn more and get yours today.